When you picture meditation, you might imagine someone sitting cross-legged with their eyes closed, they're perfectly still. But if you're feeling anxious, restless, or your nervous system is activated, sitting perfectly still can feel overwhelming and even unsafe. This is why I want to introduce you to walking meditation, which brings mindfulness into motion. It's a way to calm your body and your mind without the pressure of having to sit still. So first, I'll share why walking meditation can be so powerful, and then I'll guide you through a 12-minute walking meditation that you can do anytime, anywhere. So let's start with why meditation doesn't work for everyone and why walking may be the missing piece. For some people, sitting still in silence can feel peaceful. But if you're already anxious or you've experienced trauma, sitting still can actually amplify racing thoughts, panic, or even trigger flashbacks. Then comes the pressure of, why can't I do this? Everyone else seems to sit and feel peaceful. If that's how you feel in a seated meditation, it's not you that's the problem. It's just that sitting still isn't the right tool for every nervous system. So if sitting still can sometimes stir things up, why does walking work instead? Walking meditation gives your body just enough movement to feel safe. And each step discharges nervous energy instead of trapping it. There's also something really soothing in the rhythm of left foot, right foot. That alternating pattern actually helps balance the two sides of your brain and regulate emotions. And instead of forcing the mind to be quiet, walking invites the body to lead. You can notice the sensations, your breath, the contact of your feet with the ground, and your mind naturally follows. I've often seen this with clients and students who struggle with anxiety or trauma, that when they shift from a seated meditation to a walking meditation, it becomes so much easier for them to soften and relax into the present moment. And if this is already sparking ideas for you, maybe you've struggled with racing thoughts or restless energy, I have a free series called Calm Your Racing Body and Mind. I'll link it in the description. It's filled with somatic practices that you can use along with this walking meditation to help bring your nervous system back into balance. Now, who might this practice be especially helpful for? If you're experiencing anxiety or restlessness, if stillness feels triggering or impossible, if you're brand new to meditation and you want something that's more approachable, or if you simply want a mindful way to connect with your body and the world around you. Even with a few minutes of walking meditation, people notice how their breath softens, their thoughts slow down, and they feel more grounded in the moment and in their body. And it helps regulate your nervous system, release pent-up emotions, and it gives you a tool that you can use anywhere at any time. On a walk outside, in a hallway at work, or just pacing in your living room. So let's try this together. You don't need any special setup. You just need a small space where you can walk slowly back and forth. And if you want more practices like this, subscribe now so you continue to receive new practices that I'm sharing every week here. All right, let's get into the meditation. Now take a moment to set up. You can wear shoes or go barefoot. You can be inside or outdoors. The goal isn't distance, it's presence. And once you're ready, begin by standing still. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground. And notice your breath without changing it. And notice how your feet make contact with the earth. And if your mind is racing, that's okay. you can just bring your attention down into your body, and particularly into your feet. And now slowly begin to walk. Just taking a few steps forward. Notice the shift of your weight, the lift of your heel, the moment your foot leaves the ground. And the gentle landing of your foot back into the earth. There's no rush. Each step is its own meditation. And the more you can slow down the pacing of your walking, letting your awareness follow that pacing, the more you let your nervous system regulate, and the more your mind can naturally begin to slow down. You can feel the details through each foot with every step. Feeling through the details of your heel, feeling the muscles through the arch of your foot. Feeling how your weight can spread out down through the ball of your foot. And feeling how you can let your toes open and even press off of your toes. Even exaggerating the details of every step that you take. Now, as you walk, notice what you sense. It can be the temperature of the air on your skin. It can be sounds nearby. Or it may be colors or shapes in your visual field. And there's no need to analyze what you notice. You can just let these sensations wash over you, step by step. And if your thoughts drift, gently bring your attention back to the anchor of your step and the contact of your foot with the floor or the ground. You can also link each step with your breath. Perhaps inhaling as you lift your foot and exhaling as you place your foot down. Or simply notice the natural rhythm of your body and breath moving together. And as you walk, notice how your body feels. If it feels light or heavy, calm or tense. And again, there's no need to analyze. You're just observing sensations, and notice if any emotions are present. If there's any anxiety, sadness, or restlessness stirring in you. And whatever emotions are moving through you right now, you can let them move with your steps. Each slow, conscious step is an exhale for your nervous system and a reminder that you don't have to hold it all in. You can let it move through motion. Now begin to slow your pace. And come back to standing still. And feel your breath, your heartbeat, your feet firmly planted into the ground. And feel into any sensations, any emotions moving through you now. Any sounds, colors, or shapes around you now. And notice anything that is shifted. Maybe your body feels softer. Maybe feeling more ease in your breath. Perhaps noticing a little more calmness in your mind. Now you can take a breath in and take a long breath out. And do that once again, breathing in. And on a longer exhale, feel your body soften and relax into the support of the earth even more. Thank yourself for taking time to slow down and give this care to yourself. You can use this walking meditation anytime, especially if you're anxious. Just knowing that it can be more supportive to bring your awareness into motion. If this practice felt good for you, use my Calm Your Racing Body and Mind to support your nervous system and bring you back into a steady, grounded state. You can get that for free at a link in the description. And I'd love to know how this practice felt for you. How do you feel before? How do you feel after? Share in the comments, and maybe your reflections can help others who are just starting out. If this video supported you, like it, subscribe, so you get more practices that I'm sharing every week to help calm your body and your mind. And feel free to keep going with any of my somatic meditations on the playlist on your screen. Thanks for showing up for yourself today, and thanks for walking with me today. I'll see you in the next video.